So today is February 8. So mag-harvest tayo ng ating orak, farming orak. Ete, okay? So daily mag-harvest tayo and then pa-farming natin. So i-stake natin para lumaki yung ating uh, funding o capital. Okay? So meron tayong $8.95 o 2.71 orak. So i-harvest natin lahat. So harvest all. So make sure meron kang BNB gas fees. Okay, para makapag uh, withdraw tayo. Ayan, so confirm payment lang. Verify password, then confirm again. So refresh lang natin. Ayan, okay na. So next, ito tayo sa liquidity, na-harvest na natin. So mag-add tayo ng farming. Okay? Ayan, so loading, saglit. So dito sa liquidity, mag-add liquidity tayo. Magdadagdag tayo ng farming. Ayan. So BNB and ORAC. Ayan, meron tayo 2.7 ORAC. So imamax natin yung ORAC. So meron sang 0.015. So may panggaspi pa tayo. Gawin natin 2.3 para may panggaspi tayo. Then click natin yung supply. Yan, 0.17. Confirm. So estimated P 0.002. Yan, so transaction submitted. Okay, close natin. So balik tayo sa ating farming. So sa BNB ORAC coin, doon tayo magpa-farm. So meron tayong USDT na previous. Okay, kailangan naka-connect yung inyong wallet address. Yan. So i-approve natin yung contract. Next step. Approve. Then confirm. Ayun, so next is stake natin yung ating farm. Then max. Then confirm again. So pending confirmation. Then meron siyang gas fee na BNB 0.002. Confirm. Password. Ayan, so waiting natin. Ayun. So nakapag-stake na tayo ng ating 0.15 ORAC BNB. Ayan, so mamaya mag-harvest tayo ha. Anytime yan. So yung USDT meron tayong 0.001 ulit. Okay? So that's it. So subscribe my channel JonathanBit TV para ma-updated ka sa next video ko. So paki-like and share mo tong video. Okay? So this is Jonathan Bit. So bukas ulit mag-harvest tayo, daily tayo mag-harvest and then i-stake natin para dumami yung ating oracle. So thank you for watching. God bless day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.